There's 2 units going up at Loras. Yeah, this is the first system we've installed.
One of the main reasons I would say was definitely price. The second reason is because we were able to get water that was even more pure than one of the other systems we were looking at.
So the Rapids has been developed for 3 years. I'm very excited to see it be utilized, and I'm looking forward to feedback.
I think that's great, yeah. You have less things to worry about, less contaminants that could maybe offset a reaction. A lot of students here are running experiments looking at DNA and proteins. So having a more pure form of water is going to result in potentially a cleaner band. The knowledge and expertise of the sales rep, and Tim specifically, who was able to really explain to everyone what type of water we were going to have and also how the system worked.
So after the cartridges are installed, you walk through the menus and it'll purge all the air out and fill your cartridges up with water. So right now, Tim's getting all the air out of the cartridges.
Hands-on training too, that's another big thing, that we're getting. Having someone show us exactly how to change the cartridges and how to keep our machine in good shape so it doesn't break down.
It was a successful day today. We installed 2 units at Loras, worked with the faculty, and they're up and running, and I'm looking forward to getting feedback and hope they work well.